Hello ladies and gentlemen, handsome boys and beautiful girls. Do you know what's cooking? Yes, we are at Xavier's for a very good event that is What's Up, organized by the English department. So welcome everybody. Look at the registration counter. It's filled with people because here we have all the enthusiastic participants who are ready to slay in the event. I'll show you. Come on. I don't even have the space to go because it's filled with people. I have no place to move that side, so I shall not go there, but I have some beautiful teams right here. First up we have team Alibaba. Alibaba. Next up we have which team here? Aladdin. Team Aladdin. So let's see who's going to win, alright? So let me present to you the What's Up team, that is registration counter team. May I know how are you feeling?
We are actually very excited to have so many colleges here today, and all the best to all of you.
We are all pumped up, even the team and the participants, so I'm sure we are going to enjoy the entire day, isn't it?
I hope you all enjoy.
Alright, so let's begin with the best event, that is What's Up 5.0!
Stage with our very own twists and turns, illustrating the haunting tale of the antagonist. Something
Musical theatre is starting now, and the first team which is going is ours, Alibaba, and I'm really excited and nervous at the same time. Come on! My God, everything is there in Love and War for sure. They killed it. They killed it for sure.
Start.
Next, do you know these people don't just have an amazing campus, but then they have lit their campus with amazing decorations. Here you know what's going on before the event? Practice, practice, and only practice. This beautiful place here is filled with people who are only practicing for escapade and so much more. So I am excited. Are you? Let's see. Guys, real talent. This cute bunny is handmade and it's a crochet work which takes a lot of time. So these girls have done it. I'm sure people will come and buy it. So, moving to the next event, which is here in the football ground, a folklore of 6 and 4. Let's see what they have to do. Come on. So there are basically 3 rounds here. One with the dice, one with some checks thing which we call langdi by the way. But other thing, I don't know. I'm excited to see what's going on. So these are the members of Team Alice and they already have 9 points by the 2 rounds. So do you really think they're going to win?
Of course, my God.
Look at that. Of course bro. Okay. So we have 9 points and it's a tie with the Team Alice. We want to win anyhow, and if we are not winning this one, I don't know. We want to win. So here we are to cheer our team. I told you, right? My team will win for 6 and 4. Here they are, the winners of folklore of 6 and 4. Come on, congratulations.
Thank you.
I'm doing some cringe stuff here, but then now we are proceeding to the wall painting. I want to see how beautifully they are going to paint the wall. It's almost 500 meters away where they are painting the wall. I'm already tired, but then we are here to motivate them. It's near St. Xavier's Arc where they are painting. You can see. The recreational hall, it says go upstairs because there the debate competition is going on and I want to see who is going to win.
Then you have a beast. Belle was captured by the beast. She was also kind and very beautiful.
Now we are here at the PG conference hall where the event is going on and it says two can tell a tale. We have two participants from each team who are going to tell a story. How did you all perform? Well, it was something.
On top of the entrance door.
Team Alibaba has qualified. Come on, Team Alibaba! Cincinnati, bang, bang! Alibaba with his gang, come on! Guys, we have a beautiful mascot over here. Oh my god, I'm scared. But it's Vikram and Betal. They have so beautifully, I love their costume. Huh? Once more. Thank you. Stand-up comedy, but then there's no comedy happening here. Guys, at the stand-up comedy, somebody made a racist joke and I'm offended. I don't know why. This person just called me that it's for you. Moe.
He loved black holes so much that he ended up being on Epstein's list.
What the?
And happily ever after did he live smelling the minus feet. Qualifies as a fairy tale.
Gone!
हाँ.
Do you wanna build a snowman?
Eee.
You know, I met some beautiful, beautiful characters. Tinkerbell, say hello. Hi. Yeah. Look. Thank you. Guys, here I am with Team Ariel, who is just jamming. I mean, this is the most beautiful part of the event, where event is going on, but then here they are enjoying. That is what is important while we come with friends. So come on. We come to an end of day one. So did you all enjoy? Yeah!